Yes. (37th Street in Flower). 37.
That was 37. Is that right?
Yes.
And what is the street name? For example, Oak Avenue.
Flower. So yeah, chat, this Beamer done, man. Farewell to this shit too, man. Time to get this shit up, bruh. Get this shit up now. Just time to focus on my crib, gang.
37 Flower Street, Arcadia, California. Is that right?
No.
I didn't understand that. Again, you'll be at 37 Flower Street, Arcadia, California. Is that right?
No, that's not correct.
Let's try this a different way. Okay. I just sent you a text with a link to an interactive map we can use to pinpoint your location.
Yeah, this shit done though, chat. Finna just go and let this car go. Just going on with life, man. It is what it is. It is what it is, bro. I ain't finna worry about this shit no more. 1 year with this BMW, it's time to go.
Let's try this a different way. Turn left.
8062.
Please hold for the next available service representative. Your call may be monitored and recorded. To learn how we collect and use your information, visit the privacy link at AAA.com. AAA offers text message updates to your cell phone that will keep you informed of the progress of your service request. If you elect to receive text messages, please be advised your wireless carrier's messaging and data rates will apply. Photo identification is required to receive service. Please have your photo ID available when the service provider arrives. At AAA.com or download the AAA Roadside app for your iPhone or Android phone. Good evening. Thank you for contacting AAA. My name is Ari. Are you in a safe location?
Yes.
I'm glad to hear you're in a safe location, and I do have a few questions, and I can get your service set up. And can I have your name, please?
LaDarian Wills.
Thank you very much, Ladarian. And is the number for the driver to reach you on and also a cell phone number 323-809-0291?
Yes.
And would you like to receive text message alerts that allow you to track the driver and later on provide feedback on the level of service received?
Yeah.
And what service can I assist you with this evening?
Just tow service.
Okay, I can definitely get you a tow. And let's see here. And what's the address of where well, I do see here you put in the address, thank you, of 3607 Flower Street, Los Angeles, California. Is the vehicle in a parking lot or on a street?
I'm in the middle of the street. 2000 gray BMW X5.
Right. And what's wrong with the vehicle?
It won't start.
And would you like to ride with the driver? If so, how many passengers?
Yeah,
How many passengers?
just one.
Thank you. And would you like me to locate a AAA approved repair facility that'll offer you 10% discount on parts and labor? I do see here that you only have 7 miles to tow.
No, it's okay.
Okay, and what's the address of where you're wanting to tow the vehicle to?
It's 960 East Jefferson Boulevard.
In the city.
Los Angeles, California.
Thank you. Alright, it looks like you're only going to use 2 miles out of your 7, so there's no out-of-pocket for you this evening. Now, if you can please keep your phone handy as they may reach out to you for any delay of service. Please have your photo ID available for the driver when he arrives. Again, my name is Ari. Is there anything else that I can assist you with while I'm on the line?
No, that'll be all, Ari. Thank you.
You're very welcome, and thank you for being a loyal AAA member. Have a good evening.
You too. Nigga done with this car, gang. So yeah, gang, I'm about to, you feel me? I'm done with this truck, bruh. I ain't finna even worry about this shit no more. Probably finna just leave this shit sitting up now, or should I probably just junk it too, like how I did my Toyota. I don't know, we'll see though, but I'm not finna worry about fixing anything else on it, cause just keep giving me issues, bro. So it is what it is. About to go ahead and do a little farewell with this shit, man. As y'all can see, I was just on the phone right now with AAA. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro, I'm literally fucking stuck right here in the middle of the fucking street. Like, I've been right here for at least about 10 minutes now, bro. This shit won't even fucking start up at all. There's smoke coming from the car, like small, like I don't know, bro. Like I don't know how to even describe this shit. But I think the transmission is like cooked or something, because it keeps saying transmission. I don't know, bro. Or maybe my battery is twigging right now. I don't know what it is, bro. But I'm not getting no crank right now, bro. So I don't know. But I just called AAA right now for us getting a tow so we can get back to the house. Cause I can't just leave my shit. I'm not gonna just leave it right here in the middle of the street. And I got my stuff in the car, so I got stuff that I still want inside the car. So we're only like 2 miles away from the house. So once AAA get here, you know what I'm saying, we go get up out of here for real. But this shit just content, bro. Like this shit really like annoying as fuck. This shit was like almost kind of like pissed me off, like had me going into panic mode. But it's all good, man. You really just gotta sit back, relax, take some breathers, gang. And yeah, bro, everything will be okay. But now, like I said, I'm not finna worry about this car no more. I'm just about to lock in, you know what I'm saying, on this goal, lock in on this place. You know what I'm saying? Keep this place, bro, because that's what I really need. Somewhere to stay at the end of the day. Care less about a car now, so. But I will be working on getting another car. You know what I'm saying? Because this shit is done. So. Y'all niggas stay tuned. I don't even want to get out the car, bro. I'm not even getting out the car finna let nobody see me. Getting another tow again, gang. This shit is sad, gang. This shit is embarrassing, gang. Literally. This shit is fucking embarrassing, bro. But he finally made it, bro. He finally made it, chat. So yeah. ID ready for real. This shit's depressing, man. This shit's all this shit that you really do.
Wanna read?
Yeah, the belt. I don't know what it is, my friend, but
You can put this car in neutral?
yeah, you can put it in neutral.
Okay. We're going to Jefferson, right?
Yes, sir.
960 is Jefferson?
Yeah.
Okay, stay there.
Okay.
I'm gonna pull you up, okay?
Okay.
Just get inside.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know, man. Shit's crazy. Like, fuck, bro. But shout out to AAA, bro. For real, bro. This shit, man. This shit's annoying, man. I don't know. Like, nigga got the whole belt put back on just to go through this bullshit again. Like, but it's all good, bro. I feel like I'm handling this shit the best way I can, bro. Not trying to really spaz out, panic, trip, bro. I'm just trying to, you feel me, just chill for real, bro. Glad these niggas made it. Now, fucking gotta get back to the crib. Find somewhere to park this shit. Hopefully somewhere to park for real. Then nigga just go figure it out from there, bro. But all this shit is content, bro. But like I just said on my GoPro, man, I'm trying to get rid of this shit, bro. Like, I don't know. I think I'm over this shit now, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I know y'all would probably say the same. A couple of y'all was already saying the same thing. Like, bro, just get rid of the Beamer already, bro. So, might just go ahead and just, you know what I'm saying, do that shit, bro. I don't know. I don't know, man. This shit's annoying, bro. It's already been a whole year or two of having this car, bro. And yeah, somebody did smack me. Pull me back up. Go home, figure this shit out, man. What is you looking at, nigga? What you looking at? The fuck you looking at? Nasty body ass. His head look like a fucking Big Mac burger. Big Mac burger body ass. Fuck you looking at? My boy got hella snacks up in his jaw. He got all the Nature Valley bars. Probably finna finesse this nigga for one. He ain't gonna notice. Nah, I ain't gonna do that, bro. I ain't no thief. He probably need his snacks more than I do. But yeah, they get the tow truck again, gang. At this point, I might as well get what the fuck? I might as well get a fucking tow truck, bro. Like, fuck, how do you invest in getting a tow truck, gang? Look at this shit, man. On a fucking tow truck again. Like, look how this shit look, bro. It look nice, but it's fucking annoying. It's a hated but loved story, bro. Hated but loved story, gang. Trust me. Shit, man. I hate this shit, but I love my Beamer too, bro. But unfortunately, I feel like this bitch gotta go, man. It gotta go. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I really don't know. Nigga on flower and 37. Nigga is stuck, bro. We finna get home, man. Shit crazy. That nigga probably just fucking around. Just fucking get a newer Camry now, bro. Get another Camry and just get a newer Infinity, bro. I ain't gonna tell y'all what's Infinity. Fuck it. I'm already telling y'all which car I want to get next. It's gonna be an Infinity, but say fuck this shit, bro. Yeah, the tow dude getting the whip down. You feel me? Look how she looked back there. She looked pretty in the back, bro. But then it's like she fucking always want to give a nigga problems, gang. Like, how you a pretty bitch but give a nigga problems? I don't understand. Alright, y'all. So my shit just started back up, bro. Like, bro, I don't know what the fuck is going on, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know if this shit not tight enough. I don't know what it is, chat. But this motherfucker turned back on. I was just fucking stuck, bro. Like, bro, I was just stuck, bro. This shit turned back on, bro. Like, what is this? BMW is playing mind games with me, chat. Like, this shit really playing mind games with me, chat. I was just stuck, chat. And this shit is back on, bro. Wait, what was that? I don't know, chat. I don't know. I don't know, chat. Trans, fail-safe progression, I don't know. I don't know, chat. Playing mind games with me, man.